Hello, Bob Kimball here, and I'm showing you my studio where I work every day. Studio slash kitchen table. I customized my easel so that I can put a shelving unit on the back in order to have some handy reach of some equipment that I use, where I can just spin it around and grab something and spin it around again and start painting. Now here's a little side clip on how I delicately removed one of the shelves in order to make room for a taller bottle. Just smashed it with a hammer and took out the rest with pliers, and because the shelves are glued in, so I had to do something. And there it is all together. There's my computer, of course, and where I work. And there's my drawers full of pencils and charcoal and extra paints. More pencils, more pencils. And there it is, the whole kit and caboodle of my studio.